This week, I am reviewing the welcome email of ADAY. So the welcome email it's not one that you regularly get, which is why I liked it. It's so different from what you usually get from e-commerce businesses. But it's more like the email that you get in a SaaS funnel for the email from the CEO. And I liked it because this is the first email you get, and it is simple, it feels warm, so it promotes a sense of warmth. It also employs really good copywriting tricks to help the person that's reading take certain actions. So the first one here now, I'm just going to do a once over for the email. So like, hi, I'm Meg, one of the co-founders of ADAY, alongside my co-founder Nina. We are on a mission to help you build a better wardrobe by designing functional and versatile clothing that's more sustainable. Would love for you to experience what this new standard of clothing can look like and feel like. So we've created this code just for you to save 15% on your first order of $150. The code. Here are my personal favorites, the most versatile items for my wardrobe of my life, the essential tee, the up in the air jacket, and our bestseller, the something borrowed shirt. Flattering and a classic. I can't wait for you to try on 8 a.m. Please let me know what you think. I love hearing from you. So those are our whole team. We have a couple of big launches coming up. We are so excited to hear from you. Stay tuned with love. This is why this works. These are two copywriting tricks that I noticed that you can be using in your business. The first one is the code doesn't work until you make a purchase over a certain threshold. So the threshold is $150. Now, if you don't make a purchase of $150, you're not going to get this 15% discount. And it's so great because what you are doing is encouraging the reader to buy over that threshold because you want that 15% discount to apply to you. You want it to apply, you want to get it. So that's the idea of like, oh, once I do this, girl math, once I do this, the rest is free. This particular this particular stuff is free depending on the price. You're like, okay, yeah, so I'm just going to do that. The second one is in the postscript note. She says we're producing small batches, so sizes and colors are often limited. If you see something you love, I recommend you get it today. It works because it creates a sense of urgency and scarcity. The fact that you might not get your sizes and colors if you come back to the store tomorrow. So now you have to do it today. And that is so great. It's so great because, like, creating a sense of urgency is going to move your buyer, your prospect to buy faster, to make them to commit to you today. It's a sales technique that I love so much. Now, something else here is the entire air of the email. It feels like a warm embrace, like something that you get when you walk into a store, a brick and mortar store. So, like, hi, I'm Meg, one of the founders. These are the things I like from our store. Um, these are the things that I think you would like to go to our store, check it out. This is a discount for you, specially created for you. Once you make over the certain amount, once you purchase over the certain amount. And it's not something that you usually see in e-commerce emails. Usually e-commerce emails, the first email you get is filled with a lot of flattering photos that I get why, because it's an e-commerce store. But and this is so straight to the point. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. About 10 lines, and you're done. You're done. So yeah, I really love this email. When I first received it, I was like, this is different, and I love that it is different. As for the subject line, thanks for joining us. Yeah, I like that. But what really works here is the from name, ADAY Founders, instead of just ADAY. So now you know you're getting it from ADAY Founders themselves.